In this video, I'm going to show you how to release a stuck chuck in a Makita cordless combi drill. So sometimes you might come to a drill after not using it for a long time and the chuck is stuck in the open position. So in order to solve this problem, you need to make sure your drill is in the right settings to give yourself the best possible chance. So here we've got our drill, we've got two speed settings. For this we want to be in speed 1, this gives us more torque and helps the drill turn more slowly, which is what we want. We also want to set it to drill setting. That gives us the full power of the drill, so we can use that to free our chuck. So we're on speed 1, we're on drill setting. We want to make sure that this forward and reverse button here is pushed towards ourselves. So we're going to hold the drill with our right hand, we're going to hold the chuck with our left hand. This line here is separating the drill chuck to the body of the drill, so just make sure that your hand's on the chuck. Make sure that this is pushed towards yourself and then give yourself a quick blip on the trigger and hopefully that should free the chuck. As you can see, that's freed the chuck. If you come across your cordless drill and you find that it's stuck in the closed position, obviously the reverse rules apply. So you want to flick your drill away from you, you want to hold the chuck with your left hand and then again blip the trigger to release the drill bit chuck. And there you go, and that's how you release a stuck chuck in a Makita cordless drill.